friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Plug Power INC, and the reason is very simple. The stock is currently trading at its one of the most important support level. So if there is any turnaround, probably this is the level which one must currently look at. So let's discuss about this, or if there is an opportunity which is emerging out of the current trend or the range. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now let me zoom this chart a bit so that you can get a fair amount of idea about the range as well as the trend. As you can see, instead of volatility, the level holds. Okay, so here is your range which you have to look at. So there are two specific levels, primarily 18.78 and we have 17.69. so these are your two most important levels which you are going to look at. So it's better if you do not violate 17.69 or 17.5 on the downside, which will become your strict stop loss. Now it is very hard to identify at or a particular point which will turn out to be your turnaround point. So that's why if we are using a zone rather than a particular level, right? So right now, if these two level holds, let me show you the big range instead of talking about the immediate targets. Let me show you the big range. So here we are. Now, there is a condition over here that if 17.5 breaks, then there will be a chance that the stock must revisit 10.8 and 10.9. so there is a scenario over here as well. Also, here we are. Okay, so there are a couple of short-term levels, or you can probably call it as your support on the downside, and this support should hold. So you have 17.5, then you have 15.7, you have 14, and you have 10.89 or 10.9. so these are your levels which may work as your big support or deep support if the stock falls below 18.7 or 18.8. Now on the downside, we are done actually. So let's talk about the upside, and there are three specific swings, or there are three specific zones which we are looking at, right? So here we are. So let me show it to you. So these are your three specific targets which you have to look at on the upside, where you have your primary range and it is in between $55 and $80. You have your second range which is in between $90 and $150, and there is a big extension. And if this works out in the upcoming years, then $450 and $1,100. So this is how the big swing looks like. Let us see how this is going to work out, and this will all happen in the longer term time frame. But because this is trading at its one of the most important support, so we can say that if there is a turnaround, this is one of the probable zones which we have to look at. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.